Hello, my friends. How are you doing? Sorry. Let me show you how to trade boom and crash using our strategy on mobile. As I told you in our 5 days training strategy, whenever we wanted to trade, our main target firstly is to find the trend of the price, the trend of the market. That is what we should focus on firstly before we take a trade. In boom and crash, focusing on the trade or finding a trade, we should use time interval of 30 minutes. So let us now select 30 minutes. Okay, you should click on your mobile screen and then select the 30 minutes. So when we selected the 30 minutes time frame, then there is a layout of the screen of which we will use to zoom in or zoom out by counting when we are zooming in or when we are zooming out. For example, right now I'm zooming out. You can see it is zooming out, and you can see it's zooming in. So which zoom layout is good to trade in using the strategy on the mobile? Really, that is another issue which you wanted to understand. So when the screen view is totally laid in, you can lay out till to 1 2 2. That is it. 1, okay, 2, okay, 1, okay. What you want is 2, 1 2 1, okay, 1, okay, sorry, 2. That's what you will trade. 1, okay, 2, 1 2. So whenever you wanted to trade in, you should take 2, okay. That is what we wanted to trade. So by finding a trend, use 2 screen layout. Then let us search one by one boom and crash trend. Let us firstly find boom 1000. Okay, now I see boom 1000 is a selling. Okay, is a selling. So when I see that this green line, this is I am in a MACD, but I applied with other indicators, but you can also see on RSI it is on top. Here I name it top and here I name it the bottom. So I place there and it is on top, so I sell here. And for the next days, I'm going to explain how to calculate pips and values. So let me have, okay, 4, and if I have 4 position, so I need to go on lower time frame. So I will use a calculator. So let me know my entry first. My entry, you can see here, my entry is 10.0061. So I will use 0.51. So now I have to subtract the 5, so it's 5.6. okay, so less, I have to use less, 10.0056, and that will be my TB1, and I will show you how to use it. So that my TB1 is a 5 bip, and I will also use here 5.1, and my TB2 is a 10 pip, and I will also use here by subtracting 45, so plus 146, so that is how I always place. And my lot size is my lot size is 1. So every time, so I can't really understand. So now price from my entry, as you can see, I have a $1. It means price move it down in a 1 pip. Okay, so when my lot size is 1, so price move it at 1 pip. So that is how I place. So now I got an entry from of boom 1000 for sale. This is for trading against the spikes. So if you select, okay, let us use zoom 2, you have a confidence to wait, you are not worrying. And if you wanted to place for example SL or stop loss, you right click and take your entry. What was your entry? It was 10.00, as you can see here, 10.00 1. So if you want to make your SL 10 pips, then change the 6 into 7, and then that is how you could have 10 pips for your risky target. Okay, that is what you will lose each. You can also make if you want this, I have to make 67. Okay, this is also 10. Okay, this is also 10. And what do you think this will be? Okay, let me make this. Okay, I don't want, let me make 70. So this will be, okay, I think that, yeah, that's good, no problem. So I made it, and that is my target. So where I have taken the entry was here. You can see I took here. In general, this market is gonna buy in, but I am selling a lower time frame. It can spike, but I can wait. I have the ability to wait. And as you can see, price is at the high level. So do not place your TB below this white moving indicator. Your TBs must be above when you are selling. When you are buying, your TBs must be below this one. Okay, for example, you buy it here, all your TBs must be below this white line. But if you have a swing target and you have a big money, then you can place wherever you want, because you can hold trades. And if you can see at the resistance here, and here you can see support, when this RSI indicator is at the top, it means price is on the resistance zone. When it is on resistance, so we can sell and we are not worrying. So it will close when the first TB is $10, and when this is $20, and when this is $30, and when this is $40. So 10 plus, so my target is $100 right now if you take a calculator, because this is a 10 and this is a 20, it is 30, and this is a $30, and TB3 is a $30. So 30 plus 30, 60, and this is a $40. $100 target, that is $100. That's how I calculate when I want to trade in against the pips. Okay, let us find another pip. Okay, 1 2. Okay, another asset. In order to get benefit, right click here, and then what should I do? Then I have to select a boom 500 if it is giving us a good chance. So according to my theory, it is not giving us a good chance. Let us not trade in. Okay, let us find another one. Let us click crash. We cannot really trade against the sellers right now, because if we buy, it will spike more, because as you can see, the trend is up. So it is up, is high now. Price is on higher, so it can fall, so we cannot buy. When price is lower, when price is here, that is where we can buy. If price is at the bottom, then we could have a chance to buy, and that like this here. If price is at the support, we can buy, but if price is not a support and also not, so that is why I said we don't have also a chance to get in. That is what you need to understand before you go on buy. Let us go on crash 500 right now. Crash 500 seems that we will have a good chance if price comes below this white arrow, white moving average. This white moving average indicates that a price is on a high or low. For example, when price is below this, we are at the support zone, and when price is at this, we are at the resistance zone. According to the price, we can also say whenever price is above this trend line, it is uptrend. Whenever it is below this white trend line, is a downtrend. So right now, price is on the deviation moving average, this exponential moving average. Whenever it is on the exponential moving average, it means price has no decision. So we should wait and find a clear entry in order to take a good trade. So in order to make a good trade. So right now, as you have we have checked boom 1000, and it was the first one which gave us a nice entry as we sold. And you can see if it spikes, we have a confidence to wait. So this is how you could trade, and this is, you can see it is now hitting OTB1. So OTB1 was $5. Sorry, I said because we had not. It is only 5. This will be 10, and then it will be 15, and this will be, let me say, because I thought that we had 10 pips, but our target 1 was 5 pips, and our target 2 was 10 pips, and our target 3 was 30 pips. 15 pips. This will be 15 pips, and this will be 20 pips in our calculation. Okay, we had a 5 pips already here. 5 pips. So 5 pips plus 10, 15 plus 15, it is 60, and then add here. Sorry, we will have here okay, if this is a 10 and if this 15, this should be what we call 10 plus 10 plus 10, it will be at 30 pips. Okay, it will be at 30 pips. 15, okay, 10, okay, you have to supply. Okay, it will be 20 because I said if we have a 5 pips in our first target, so it means 5 times 4 equals to 20. That is, this would be 20 pips, $20. Okay, this will be $20, and this will be $15, and this will be $10, and we had a $5. That is it, what I mean. So 5 plus 10 it's 15, and add plus this 15 it's 60, and here we have 20, so that is $80. So guys, thank you for watching. We don't have another entry, so we will wait to hit all because we're not trading. So right now sorry, we're not trading, we are not catching spikes, so we should use our entries at any time frame, but the most important thing is the trend. Okay, place at 1 hour. Okay, as you see, 1 hour strongly selling. Okay, is strongly selling. Okay, so now that is how we could sell. It is spiked, but for my knowledge we can wait, no problem. It is spiked, but we can wait. And always do not forget to set with your SL, SL, and make your own target. That is absolutely what you should need to do. Thanks. And if you are using this strategy for the first time, please use your demo account in order to try it on. And when you think that you are good at catching spikes and trading against these spikes, then go it with your live account. But firstly, please try it on your demo before you go on your demo. Thanks. Bye bye.